Hi guys. Okay, so there was a video clip that I seen. It was actually made out of, I think it was Play-Doh, and it was to replicate or show the placenta when a woman gives birth. And then I was just looking at it. They had it in multicolors to make it as realistic as possible and showing the birth and the placenta when a child is born. And they showed the cord. Okay, and then afterwards, I think what they call it's like a delayed clipping or a delayed cord cutting or something like that. But if you wait till the actual cord itself is white, then all the blood goes back to each individual, so the child and then the mother, and the cord goes white. Let's say there is, back in the day, they didn't know any better, right? Then that would be symbolic to them when it goes white that there's no more blood in it, and it would be safe to remove. Or if you leave it all together, eventually it just falls off. So the whole idea of the placenta, I was looking at it, it looks a lot like the AKASHIC tree or the tree of knowledge or whatever you want to call it. It looks a lot similar to that. And there's a lot of things in our 3D life that look similar to other things as well. People have pointed it out, all different kinds of things, but the placenta itself looks a lot like the tree of life almost, with the veins and everything like that, and the branching out. And let's say the DNA itself is information. So if you were to cut that too soon, it's almost like you're not fully allowing, if you were to call it like a download or something like that, you wouldn't be allowing the full flow of things to go back to their natural state and to get the full download. So the child itself to receive all the blood that it needs once it's delivered, and the mother to have her DNA be separate for the child, right? So each of them have their rightful information restored and given to them. So basically what I'm getting is, if you do it too soon, it's almost like cutting that off. It's like if you were to try to upload something and you stop it too soon, then you're not going to get the full information that you need to get. So I don't know if any of you out there are mothers, you've given birth, and what the doctors and everything say. Keep in mind, I'm not a licensed physician or anything like that, but I do understand that even before medical advances and everything like that, they would understand that when something doesn't look full of blood, or it doesn't look like it's white now, that it would be safe to remove or cut the cord. And that very well could be the information needed for each individual child to receive once they were delivered from their mother, if you know what I'm saying.